First, right now we have 4,000 user base. Okay, so every day we see at least 10 users or new users. So we are more popular in this route: Hyderabad to Bangalore, Hyderabad to Vijayawada, Hyderabad to Warangal. So if we have teams in Bangalore, Chennai, and other metro cities, I'm sure it will be more successful. If you take the BlaBlaCar, so you see the same ride creating for the next 1 year. So that's how you see the rides. And BlaBlaCar, whenever the co-traveler wants to book it, so there is no real-time booking actually there. So again, you have to see the driver number and you have to make a call. You have to say that, okay, I want to come with you. So in our case, actually, you can, how you are booking your seat in Redbus, the same way you can book the Redbus and you can cancel it. And we are automated that the driver and the passenger will get notified through SMS and email. And we are coming up with a mobile app with the instant chat, okay, integrated, so that they can, before booking also, they can introduce themselves and they can see their Facebook profile and they can familiar with each other. And if they like, they can start booking it. 400 plus rides happen, and every week we see at least 10 rides are posting on our portal. And in the 10, 4 to 5 rides are successful. Means successful rides means getting the co-passenger or the driver.
In those you have charged the 10%?
No, we are not charging. We are running the free model for this 2015 year.
And what kind of profile, do you capture the profile of that user?
Yes, every user, we capture the Facebook profile and they must have to enter the bio, and without activating their mobile and email.
Which kind of profile typically is looking to do this ride sharing?
About, okay, train and bus. Okay, so tomorrow he has to think about car ride sharing. Want to reach to that point.